Don't love the assembly square because of this water fountain. I don't love how it looks. I might as well try and replace the fountain with the birch tree and see if that looks better. So for the birch books, I'm just going to completely remove this tree, rip out this. To put the tree in, completely remove the fountain and just all the stuff surrounding it till you get the base plate underneath showing. And then put back your plates, except in a bit of a different arrangement. Place your tree right in the middle, like that. And place these gray pieces all along the edges where they were for the fountain. And then what you want to do for down here is completely up to you to cover up those brown tiles. If you did have the birch books to take apart and replace the tree, then you can also take apart these blue tiles. You have these blue corners, and these will fit perfectly on the edges of that. And then once you have that, you can wrap around the guard for the tree again. Move over your branches and just rearrange it a bit. And there's your birch books tree in the middle of the square. I just think that the birch tree makes this corner not look so recessed and so dark. It just brightens it up. It makes it look better because it looked weird with such a small fountain taking up so much space. I think the tree just makes more sense there than the fountain did, especially at eye level for figures.